Welcome to today's eye-opening video where we're going to discuss 15 grocery products that are expected to see significant price increases in 2024. It's essential to be aware of these potential price hikes so you can make informed choices about your grocery shopping. 1. Meat prices have been subject to fluctuation in recent years due to various factors. Supply chain disruptions, such as labor shortages and transportation issues, can lead to higher costs. Additionally, changing consumer preferences, with more people opting for plant-based alternatives, might impact demand and consequently affect meat prices. As a result, it's wise to consider incorporating meatless meals into your diet to offset potential price increases. 2. Dairy products. Dairy prices, including milk, cheese, and butter, are influenced by several factors. Fluctuations in feed costs for dairy cattle can lead to variations in production expenses, which are often passed on to consumers. Moreover, supply chain challenges and weather-related issues can disrupt dairy production and distribution, further impacting prices. 3. Fresh produce. The prices of certain fruits and vegetables are susceptible to weather-related events, transportation costs, and supply chain disruptions. Droughts, floods, or extreme temperatures can damage crops and reduce yields, leading to higher prices. Consider buying seasonal and locally grown produce to mitigate potential price increases. 4. Cooking oils. Cooking oils, particularly those derived from specialty crops like olive oil or avocado oil, may see price hikes due to fluctuations in crop yields and production costs. Monitoring price trends and exploring alternative oils can help you manage costs. 5. Coffee. Coffee prices can be influenced by weather conditions in coffee-producing regions and global demand. Climate change-related challenges, such as irregular rainfall and rising temperatures, can affect coffee crop yields and quality, potentially leading to increased prices for your morning brew. 6. Cereals and grains. Cereal and grain prices are subject to various factors, including extreme weather events, pests, and changes in global trade dynamics. For example, a drought in a major grain-producing region can impact the supply and drive up prices. 7. Eggs. Egg prices can rise due to factors such as the cost of feed for poultry, health concerns affecting egg-laying hens, and supply chain disruptions. Keeping an eye on these factors can help you anticipate price changes. 8. Seafood. The seafood industry faces sustainability challenges, overfishing concerns, and environmental issues. These factors can lead to reduced seafood supplies and higher prices. Exploring sustainable seafood options and being mindful of seasonal availability can help you manage costs. 9. Snack foods. Snack foods, especially those with unique or premium ingredients, may see price increases due to changing consumer preferences and supply chain challenges. Consider making healthier and cost-effective homemade snacks as an alternative. 10. Spices and herbs. Spices and herbs can become pricier as extreme weather events impact crop yields and transportation costs increase. Buying in bulk and storing these ingredients properly can help you save on costs. 11. Sugar. Sugar prices can fluctuate due to changes in global sugar production and trade policies. Monitoring sugar price trends can help you adapt your grocery list accordingly. 12. Pasta. Pasta prices can be influenced by the cost of wheat and other grains, as well as supply chain disruptions. Opting for store-brand or generic pasta options can be a cost-effective choice. 13. Packaged foods. Packaged foods with complex supply chains and premium ingredients may see price hikes due to increased production and transportation costs. Reducing your reliance on heavily processed packaged foods can help you save money and make healthier choices. 14. Specialty and organic foods. Specialty and organic food items often come with higher price tags due to their production methods and consumer demand for premium products. Balancing these items with more budget-friendly alternatives can help you maintain a balanced grocery budget. 15. Soft drinks. Soft drink prices can increase due to factors like sugar prices, production costs, and environmental concerns related to packaging materials. Reducing your consumption of sugary beverages not only saves money but also promotes better health. In 2024, staying informed about these potential price increases and adapting your grocery shopping habits accordingly is essential. Strategies like buying in bulk, exploring store brands, and focusing on locally sourced and seasonal items can help you manage your grocery expenses despite the challenges presented by fluctuating prices.